Do you tuck or untuck? What do you do, family foodie?
Tuck.
You're a tucker.
You're a tucker
My
too.
husband and I don't agree, so it's a problem. So his side is always untucked, and my side is always tucked.
Really?
Oh, that's kind of hard to do, I would say.
It is, and we have been married 28 years, and it
still works, but no matching clothes, right?
No matching clothes, never.
Well, we love having the family foodie in our kitchen, and as we said, the kids have headed back to school this week, and that means it's so much more hectic after work and for parents too.
That's right. So you need some simple dinner recipes, and Isabel Lasik has us covered. You have some great sliders for us today, right?
I do, and what I love about these is you can make them ahead the night before or the morning of, and then have them all together. When the kids get home, pop them in the oven and you're good. So it could be an after-school snack, it could be a tailgating party snack, or it could even be dinner with a nice salad.
Yeah.
Right?
Yeah, switch it up and make you feel healthy with a little salad on the side.
Yes.
I like it. All right, where do we start?
All right, we're going to start with the ground beef. I have a pound of certified Angus beef, and that literally will take you, 2 minutes maybe to saute.
Okay.
Then you're going to add onion powder in there. Again, super easy. You could chop an onion, but you know what? It tastes just as good.
Oh, yeah.
And then really give it a good amount of salt. You really want to season that beef.
Okay.
So just saute that up, let it all come together. And that, believe it or not, is the hardest part. So then it's just assembling, yes.
Yeah.
So this is
so ooey gooey,
right?
easy.
I know, and kids really do love this.
Yeah.
And you know what? You could customize it. So this is just use this as a guide, but you could totally customize this.
Okay.
So who's going to help me assemble?
I will help
Java,
you.
you can.
Okay. Okay. So I love using the Hawaiian rolls because then you don't have to sit there and make each one individually. You're making one big one, and then you just cut it up. So think about the time that saves. So go ahead and line both sides with cheese.
Okay, and then of course you can choose whatever cheese you
Whatever
like.
cheese. This is just American cheese because that always seems to be a kid's favorite, but feel free to use, whatever kind you like.
Okay.
Works, yep.
That looks so pretty.
Make it as ooey gooey as you. Oh, that's perfect. Look at you. Look at you. Okay, then we're just going to fill in the filling.
Okay.
And that is just the sauteed ground beef. Again, very quick, easy. You saw how quickly that came together.
Yeah.
And don't worry about it being messy. It's okay.
Okay.
So does it end up just kind of melting together?
It
Right,
does,
so you
because
put it
the
on hot so it
cheese
does
on
that?
top. Yep.
Okay, I
So-
see.
And then we're going to put it in the oven. Okay, then we're going to, for this kind, we're going to throw bacon on it because
You just put it
just
on like
makes
this, or
it
you could-
so good. Yep.
Yes, okay.
Now,
Have
how do you
fun
do your
with
bacon?
it.
Everybody does their bacon.
Okay, I'm big. I like doing it on a cookie sheet with in
Foil
the oven.
underneath?
Yep, with the oven, yeah. So I think that's the best way.
Okay.
Now let's try to do a little bit of pickles. Again, if your family doesn't like it, you could do half and half, or you
love
could,
pickles.
keep them out.
Are you a pickle fan?
Yeah, I like
love
dill.
pickles.
I love them.
I know.
This is like my go-to snack. I'll do pickles, I'll do pickled okra.
Right. Think about all the fun things you could put in there.
Yeah.
Now it's up to you. Some people like doing barbecue sauce.
Okay.
Some like ketchup and mustard.
Yeah.
I tend to just do it like this and then let my kids add what they'd like to it.
So are you
putting this on
baking it
top?
open like that?
Nope. So you're going to put that on top.
I see
Okay,
what you're
now
doing
here's
here.
a fun secret. Did you know that you could use these little pans to bake? As long as you don't go over 350, you could just put it right back.
Oh my.
Cool.
Right back. And so look at that. You're not even like,
How did you do that?
you're not even like getting another dish dirty or anything. You just put it right back in there.
Oh,
love that.
nice hack.
Yeah.
everybody.
And then we are just going to go ahead, wrap it up in the foil,
Okay.
and put it in the oven for about 15 minutes. And like I
At
said,
350 you said?
at 350 for about 15 minutes.
Perfect.
Yep.
And then you have several nights worth of meals ready to go,
Yeah.
grab and go.
And think about all the different options that you could do.
Yeah.
Yeah. So many different things.
Oh my
You know
God,
what?
those
I
are
should
so
probably read this after I read the
That's
chat.
true. Sorry.
I've been in this situation before. Let me go ahead and read it. If you want to get in touch with a family foodie for lots more recipes, it's super easy. Just visit SundaySupperMovement.com.
And then